I logged on to show you these flowers. They're very beautiful and all that, but oh my gosh, look. Raspberries. We are growing freaking raspberries and they're dying. How did we let this happen? How on earth did we let this happen? That is actually the worst. Oh my gosh. Raspberries, you guys. I don't think you understand how much I adore raspberries, and now they're growing in my backyard. Oh, I love this so much. I have to oh gosh, and this is such a huge plant. Like all of this, that, and that, and that, it's all raspberries. And okay, I'll show you my flowers because it's probably what you watched it for. But the raspberries, you guys. I'm so excited. There's like so many little ones. I'm gonna water it so much tonight so it will not die. And then I can have raspberries. You guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, and there's some flowers and some more flowers and they're pretty and all that. But raspberries!